Good morning. Welcome to the Lasham Daily Briefing for Saturday, the 23rd of May, 2026. So we'll start with the synoptic, and we'll have a look at yesterday at lunchtime. And you can see this high pressure out over northern Germany is kind of blocking a series of fronts from coming in across the UK. We run that through midnight last night. That high's moved off out to the east, and there's a weak cold front system making its way through. 6 o'clock this morning, it's actually gone through pretty much part of the UK and is quite close to being past where we are. If we look at lunchtime today, you can see that it's out into the North Sea. We've got a ridge of high pressure building, and that's going to be with us for the rest of the day. If we take that through midnight tonight and into lunchtime tomorrow, you can see that high pressure is still around, and it's blocking the low pressures and the other systems to the north from coming through the UK. So here's the sat pic. It's a fair bit of a clear sky in southern England. West Country's got a bit of cloud cover. Nice bit of wave up in Scotland by the looks of it, and in the Pennines. Rain radar shows the weather that's on that weak cold front that's to the north and east of us. And if we have a look at the rain forecast, there's very little to show throughout the day. So that's right through till 5 o'clock tonight, and again into the evening. So there's, as I say, very little in the way of precipitation around today. Being the weekends, there's no Odium TAF. Their actuals, which was at 6:20 this morning, they've got 280 degrees, 4 knots, greater than 10k visibility, no clouds, temperature 18, dew point 14, and pressure 1025. Farnborough, again, their TAF is pretty much out of date. Their actuals are 310 degrees, 3 knots, 240 degrees, veering to 350 degrees, cavalcade, temperature 19, dew point 14, pressure 1026. Winds aloft to the north of us at 1,000 feet, 240 degrees, 5 knots, same at 2,000 feet, and up to 15 knots at 3,000 feet, 5,000 feet, sorry. And then to the south of us, 1,000 feet, 310 degrees, 5 knots, 320 degrees, 5 knots, and 230 degrees, 15 knots at 1, 2, and 5,000 feet, respectively. Windy is showing at about 4 o'clock this afternoon, a 5 knot westerly, and it starts the day at a 3 knots northwesterly, so very little change there throughout the day. Local Met Office forecast is, again, concurs with that, 3 to 4 knots northerly, going around to 4 to 5 knots westerly by the end of the afternoon. Temperature-wise, GFS forecasting about 22, 23 centigrade today, with the dew point down around about 15. Right now at Lasham, just refresh this, we've got about 19 centigrade with the dew point down at 14, so we've got a 5-degree split there. And looking at the camera on the south side, looking west, you can see this northerly flow, quite so gentle, it's about 4 or 5 knots there, and a little bit top cover, but that's pretty much it this time in the morning. Sky Sight's forecasting a blue day with sort of usable thermals from about lunchtime through to about 6 o'clock this evening, getting up to maybe about 3,500 feet at best. And top meteor, again, if we run that through from 9 o'clock this morning, you can see there's, excuse me, you can see there's up to about 2,500 feet sort of climbs, top of climbs, by about 11 in the morning. By 12, it's a little bit better, and then it stays reasonably good in comparison to earlier on, right through into like 6 o'clock this evening, with sort of max heights at about maybe 3,500 feet. No TAMs, there's nothing within 10K of Lasham to affect. If you do end up going cross country, due diligence on checking no TAMs, please. There's a fair few of them around about that you need to be concerned with. So let's move on then to the local airfield briefing. We'll start with glider bookings and availability. There's a K21, K13, K8 for the youth group. A couple of K21s on booked flyings, K21 on the casual list with 4 students and 1 instructor in the morning. There's a K13 on trial lessons. There is single seat availability, and of course the simulator is available as per usual. 2XL movements, nothing to report. The autumn wave camp, 4th to the 23rd of October. You can book via the office, and you can get any details about the expeditions from myself, Evan, or Barry. So back to today, general situation is there's a ridge high pressure building. There's light winds from the north and round to the west. Weak thermals to about 3,500 feet. We'll be on runway 27, cables on the south side. Please be ready when the cable tug arrives, and of course do not land or taxi aircraft on the disused runways shown here in red. So here's the airfield setup. Club winching off the grass south of 27. Club aero towing off the 27 hard. If there's any grid today, it will be 27 grass north in the usual place, self launchers behind. And we'll be doing left-hand and right-hand circuits onto 27 grass south and north. That's pretty much it from me today. Have a great day's flying. Have lots of fun. Please keep it safe.